Well, welcome to the channel. We are back and we are ready to go for this second sprint of the season at the Red Bull Ring in Austria. Currently the points are as follows. Ferg is in first place with 87. I am in second place with 48 after a disaster last race. Inflicted, maybe maliciously, maybe not. That's up for discussion. You can review the clip on the last video. And Juan is in third with 31 points after he got second, got 18 points, and then a penalty of 20 points. Anyway, let's get straight into it. Let's go.
Okay, how many points is it for a win?
25, and then 1 for
And how many points is it if you take somebody out?
maliciously.
Yep.
25.
Interesting.
Oh, you two were quite laggy there.
I was
I just wanted to stare at the lady there.
Yeah, I
Cairns.
was like, I'm keeping my distance. I'm not going against anyone. God, you both have had a warm up.
Oh, Jesus.
You've both had a warm up on racing, and I'm sat here like, oh god, it's
Honestly, I'm quite happy.
Well,
Just to
if you were actually good at racing and avoided me, then you would have got a wee warm up. But you know, it's up for debate.
Yeah, it's nice. I'm giving Juan. I'm throwing the book at Juan. You know,
like-
next season in actual F1, they're introducing DRS a lap earlier, apparently.
Oh, that's nice.
Ah!
Oh! Man slided about the place.
Ah, I don't like this. Oh, God.
Oh, back off! Fucking hell, Juan pushing me towards the wall.
I never done anything. What are you talking about? That's not me.
Oh, Ferg's got the lead. He's gonna catch him, and I know it. He's a menace on the racecourse, Ferg.
I'm aware. I'm fully aware.
See, trying to get past him, it's fucking infuriating.
Oh, it's so scary. I hate it.
Did you two connect there?
Yeah.
I've got damage to my wings now because of that.
I got side pod damage. I probably shouldn't have dived up the inside there, to be fair. Oh, you've done well to keep past me there, Juan. Oh, shit! Oh, God, oh! No. Cairns! Oh, fuck!
Oh! You!
This is chaos.
Oh my god, it's over there!
Back it off, Ferg!
Never.
You pushed me off track.
I could argue you pushed me off track.
Oh! Did you see that?
Yeah.
I just got air.
Shit.
Oh, come on, Ferg.
You swerved about there.
Swerved? I was trying to avoid Juan, and then I stayed to the left, and you cut up the inside.
No, I tried to avoid you because I was on the left, and then you jumped left and I had to move.
Got wing damage now.
I've got every damage.
I've got emotional damage.
Oh god, I can't turn. Oh, I'm in the gravel. Just finishing the race now.
That's a Max Verstappen Lewis moment. I can't believe you've done this again!
I need a moment.
I was catching him. Oh, God! At least there was. I don't think. I wouldn't have said there was any penalties there.
The only one maybe would be the first one with Juan. Because I shouldn't have been there, to be fair. But then he won the race anyway. It didn't really affect anything, did it?
Yeah, well, it does. It does. So let's investigate that. Because if it takes points off you,